Hi guys, it's Sarah from Pirate Lotus Boutique, and today I have a new setup, new microphone. Hope you guys can hear me really well, and I have a new light, so I'm hoping you guys can also see this very well. It's a little darker for me, so I might switch back to my old light, but we'll see. Also have a new stand for my phone to record with, so I can't actually see my screen, but I can quickly stand up to make sure I'm all in focus here. Most probably I am, so that's good. A friend of mine asked me how you use the bell making pliers or step pliers, whatever you'd like to call these. Mine are from Beadsmith, I believe. Yes, the Beadsmith. I really like these. I will look at the sizes, but I think they are 2mm, 3mm, 4mm, and 6mm. 8mm and 9mm. I'm possibly wrong on the two in the middle. I will have to look those up, but I will do that for you guys. But she wanted to know how to make a bell, which is this part of the pendant, with these. I don't have any work in progress pieces. I haven't made the bell yet. I will do a video on that at some other time, but I'm just going to show her how to, you guys how to use it. This is actually a piece I made at the craft fair today that I went to. I actually did pretty good. It was my second one. I was very excited, but I need to finish this, so ignore the wire sticking out here and here. It's not completely done, but it's more for reference for the bell part. Some people like to weave on theirs, some don't. I did. I like it. And I'm going to grab my wire here. This one. I'm actually using my desk tonight, so that's a lot of fun. I actually get to record in my room. I'm using bare copper wire from Rio Grande. This is 18 gauge, dead soft. Comes in like a huge 1 pound spool, which can last a very long time, let me tell you. I love it. I actually have some from Para wire that is faux gold, and it's pretty good too. But I thought that was actually the non-tarnished copper one, but it's not, so I'm not sure where it is. But this is bare copper, so this will tarnish. You can oxidize it, which I cannot wait to start doing. But let's ignore that and go back to what I'm supposed to be teaching you guys. I'm just going to cut off a piece of wire real quick. Ah! It hit the metal thing beside of me and scared me a little bit. Okay, so I will show you guys each loop size real quick. This is also, you can make loops. You don't have to make your bell look like this if you don't want. I do a more simple 2 loop as a bell on my pendulums. This is one of my limited edition pendulums. But I like to use it for stuff like this, the simple wrapped things mostly. And my more grand and intricate ones, I like to do more fancier. So I will first show you how to do ones like these with these. Now, personally, you can use any size. I like the 2 here, but I will, or the 3, my bad, 3. I will start with the 2 and show you guys how to make a loop. You place the wire between the pliers, the 2 you want, like if you want this one or this one, you know. I like to put the one that I'm wanting to use in the back. So if I wanted this one, I would put it here. If I wanted this one, I'd put it here. If I wanted one, I started to do the opposite just because it's easier for me. But you know, if I want this one there, this one there, you know, you get the point. But you can, I like to do this sometimes. You get really close to the edge there. And just bend your wire as far as you can, and then come back here. This is not the perfect loop because get a bit of a straight line. There's actually a little trick to this. I saw someone else do it. You cut off a little bit of that straight line, These are my new flush cutters. So ooh, okay, I forgot to grab a hold of that. I'm pretty excited about those. The little trick to that is to clip that off and then go back to making your belt, or your loop in this case. Okay. That is the smallest loop. This looks like it was there somewhere. And the next size up. Again, you just hold it between them and twist around. Like so. I can't get it out. To do a double wrap, I'll go ahead and show you with this one. I like to, my double loops, to do bring it back around. There you go. And then I twist it. Let's see. Should be able to do with this. Yeah. It depends on what I'm making for what direction I stop this, but it'll be either there or here. For the sake of this video, I'm going to do it there. I'm going to go ahead and actually bend this. Actually, you know what? So you guys can actually see. There we go. You can always go back a little. Okay, I'll do that. But these are pretty easy. I like the you can move either side, as you can tell. I just have a preference for what I like. I don't really make bell loops with these two. Barely even this one, probably. These are more jump ring sizes for me. But I do like to use this one here when I am making like my my own clasps and stuff. Like just do that, and then so you make your own clasp. It's just a good way to make a big loop or big circle, half circle, or whatever you need. So you guys get the point for that. I'll leave it there, and now I will go ahead and grab out a couple more. I really wish I had something made already for this, because I feel like I just don't have enough right now. And I don't have anything pre-made, which I will actually show you guys a video on how I do my bells. But for now, we're going to call this the end of the pendant. So this is the top part. So like, this would be this part of the pendant. Technically it starts there, but you guys get the point. Okay, what you'll decide to do is how far up you want to start where it bends here. Now, I like to do mine short to medium. A lot of people like theirs longer. It's just really a preference. The same as the width inside here, the whole size. I like to use this one here, which I believe is 4mm. But I like to use that one. It could be 5 actually. I think it's 4. I like to use that one, and I don't like to go up too far forward. Call it here. Now this is the way I like to do it. Everybody does it different, but I like to hold mine tightly and just start pushing it around. Yeah. Now sometimes you won't always be able to squish your wires together like that, but it just kind of closes it, pinches it to the back of the pendant usually. But since this isn't actually a pendant, it just kind of makes it all wonky. But you guys get the point. I hope you can see here. A lot of people like to weave theirs, but you can also just separate these and not weave it. Usually it's best to weave it before you bend it, and then you bend it. As you can tell here, I actually squished it against the back of the pendant right here. I had already made this part and I had wrapped it around it and then pushed this against it, just because I really liked how this back turned out. So you can do that. It's always best to secure it in the back somehow. I did this one by I'm trying to figure out which wire it is here. I'm actually not sure what wire it was. Oh, it was the weaving wire, sorry. I sometimes would wrap the bigger one here. I would wrap it around to secure it, but I did the weaving wire on this one, so you can't really see it as well. It's actually wrapped up and under here, all the way around here. So this part won't actually come off. And then I took that and actually put that around this one, I believe, for the rest of the loop here. But yeah, you always want to secure it somehow, whether it's wrapping another piece around it or one of its own. You can take like this one here that was attached and wrap it around it. Show you guys, this is not easy since it's not an actual pendant, but you could always take and just kind of wrap your other one around here, which would have secured it to the pendant. So I hope that helps you guys. I will try to do more of these videos soon. I feel like I may have not been in camera as much. If I wasn't, I apologize. But I will hope to do more tutorial beginner tips using tools. Probably I'll start with tools. But yeah, this will be the first in that series, and I will do other ones, different kinds of pliers, you know, like your needle nose pliers here, your chain nose. We'll do different kinds of those as well, and some on how to use, you know, your flush cutters and all that fun stuff. And another quick thing is there are pliers that are called round nose pliers that you can also make loops with, and bells if you really want, but I would not recommend using this for a bell unless you're just doing a simple loop or two. But make sure you get it in the same spot. That's actually the problem I have. So I actually don't use this for loops unless I am just making like one simple loop on something and I just want one, doesn't matter what size I use, so I'm not going to be like having to make all the same. So yeah. Show you what I mean real quick. Just kind of like, I want to put a loop here, so I'll just whoop, let's put a little loop there. There we go. Yeah, nothing important. It's also good for starting of your spirals as well. It's how I start my spirals, so it's always fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video though. I will do more. I'll probably do a few on the loopers here, round nose pliers here. But I'll do some more tool videos. I'm wanting to do a beginner beaters tutorials and also beginner wire wrappers as well. So that'll be fun. But I just wanted to do this because my friend was asking me and I thought it would be very helpful to you guys as well. So I hope it was, and I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you guys next time. And again, I hope you can hear me really well. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Like this video, that'd be fantastic. I have some more tutorials coming up for Bead Park, so that'll also be fun. I'm going to be filming those probably tomorrow, one of them tomorrow. Trying to think, and I will do the other one next week sometime. A little delayed because of the craft show today, so I'm a little behind what I wanted, but that's okay. But yeah, okay, guys, well, I'm so sorry. I've been up since 6 o'clock, so I'll end this pretty soon. But all my social media links are in the description below. You can also find my Patreon link if you guys would like to help me out. That would be fantastic as well. All the money goes back to making my channel better, whether it be more bead subscription boxes or more better equipment, whatever, you know. But yeah, that will also be in the description, along with some emails if you guys would like to message me. That's also fantastic. And a link to my Etsy shop is also below in the description. So I will see you guys next time, and I hope you are staying safe and having a wonderful day. See you guys next time. Bye.